208.776, 1.4 seconds faster than his previous lap. 208.776. Wow, 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 wow. What a performance there. 1.4 clear of actually Eugenio Pisani's time is what that graphic was telling us. So yeah, he's 1.4 seconds clear of Eugenio Pisani there. With that lap, that's going to be very difficult for anybody to match. Dirk has come in, he's smashed, he's grabbed, and I don't think anyone's going to be able to claim it back.
Well, Dirk shooting for the stars here at this point. That final sector was outrageous. He found so much time. Incredible effort there, and Pisani obviously not taking this line down. What I will say is, though, is that Dirk shooting has gone quicker again in the first sector. It's amazing. What an effort here from this man. I have to say, we'll look forward to seeing what the Q1 track racing car can do now as he makes his way down the Mistral Straight. Of course, we'll have the chicane to tackle. Will this be yet another purple lap for Dirk Schutten? He's obviously not finished yet. You can just see the look in his eyes, the focus as he makes his way into the chicane and out again. Obviously trying to hit every apex, takes the curbage on the outset. Heading down now out of turn 9 in towards what will be turn 10. Of course, now let's see if he can string together this fast, tricky right-hander. He has still remained purple, so better than his current fastest time. Did lose a little bit heading into sector 2, and now coming out into sector 3 proper now. Stays on the curbs, very controlled, very nice indeed around turn 11. You'll have turn 12 next. He's now rounds through it, and as he does so, at turn 11 now, in comes the barrage to Bendor now as he rounds this next left and trying to hook it together, leading now round towards the Garlemon corner. And as you can now see him just rounding it now, sticking close to the apex again, just brushing the curbs. You see there, car 44, Eugenio Pisani, in fact, just out on his outlap at this moment in time. He's going to go for one final last gasp before the end of qualifying. Into the pit lane, no Dirk Schutten. Bizarre. I thought he was going to set another purple one.
I think maybe the team has said, you know, you don't need to be doing this, right? You're significantly clear. And they said, just save the tyres, come back in, come on. Let's not try any unnecessary shenanigans. Into the pits comes Dirk Schutten, a race winner last year in GT Cup Open Europe. And surely looking likely here today. Let's see this little replay. This is the first 2 corners of the lap. And we'll be able to see Schutten here on maximum attack. The exit is always telling to see how hard they're pushing, how close they get to the very edge of the circuit.